Hello, today we're going to be working on Chapter 13, Lesson 2. And this is a problem-solving lesson, and we're going to be working on the strategy of solving a simpler problem, trying to make our life easy. So we're going to start by looking at our problem. It takes Jasmine 2 minutes to ride her bike 1 block. How long does it take Jasmine to ride the route shown 3 times? So, okay, what do we know? We're going to start with our strategy of writing down what we know. It takes Jasmine 2 minutes to ride her bike 1 block. What do we need to find? We need to see how long it will take her to ride the route 3 times. I'm going to make a plan. I'm going to solve a simpler problem so that I can find the answer. The simple problem is finding the perimeter by adding up all the different parts of her route. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. That's going to equal 16. That is the total number of blocks that she rides when she rides around 1 time. But as you remember, the question was how much does it take her to ride 3 times around? Well, this is the number of blocks that she has to go. So we're going to take that number of blocks, and we know that for each block it takes her 2 minutes. So I'm going to multiply 48 times 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Regroup that 1. 2 times 40 is 80, plus that other 10 is 90, so that we have 96 minutes total. So it takes her 96 minutes to ride around that block 3 times. Does your answer make sense? Yeah, she's going 16 blocks, so that's a lot of blocks. And if it takes her 2 minutes for each block, yeah, that's a lot. So the total number of blocks would be 48. 2 minutes, yep, double the 48 is 96. So yes, it makes sense because 48 doubled equals 96. Yep, sounds good. Let's take a look at the next example, practicing the strategy. Hayden and his friends want to draw a court on the playground to play Foursquare. The sides of each of the small squares are 4 feet. What is the perimeter of the entire court? Okay, well, knowing that each of these small squares is 4 feet is good, but what we need to know is the perimeter. We need to know the perimeter in feet. So the facts that we do know is that each square has 4 feet, so there are 4 squares that are 4 feet in length. What do we need to find? We need the perimeter. So my plan is going to be to solve the simpler problems. That's the strategy that we're working on. Simpler probs. I'm lazy. So to solve that, I'm going to use the information that I already know. That perimeter, I'm going to write the formula. Perimeter is 4 times S. So if I know that the perimeter around the court, around each one, this is 8. I'm adding these 2 smaller pieces together. 4 and 4 is 8. Oh, I wrote a 2. It should have been an S. I'm so sorry. So I know it's going to be 4 times the 8. That's the length of each of these sides. So 4 times 8. So the perimeter is 32, and the unit is feet. Does your answer make sense? Yeah, I can check it by adding all of the different sides, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And I know that that is 32 feet. So it checks out. Okay, go ahead and work on your problem-solving problems on the next page.